Find a suitable screwdriver and remove the 4 screws on the battery case. Remove the battery cover. Use scissors to cut the tape at the cable connection and unplug the cable. Find a hard board with a rounded end. Because the battery and the battery shell are connected by glue, use a hard board to scrape off the glue. You need to scrape the battery end, the battery shell several times too. Separate them. Try to avoid scraping He battery PVC film. Turn the battery over. Find an angle. Tap the battery case gently and use inertia to remove the battery. Take a new battery case with the side with the cable corresponding to the arc on the battery case and install the battery. When the battery and the battery case are in a horizontal position, it means they are fully installed. Then take out the glue and inject it into the 4 corners to fix the battery. Take out the cable sleeve, pass the large cable through, and then connect the large and small cables. Use a hair dryer to heat the sleeve of the large cable to secure the connection of the large cable. Cable ties can be used to secure large and small cables to prevent them from spreading out. When installing the battery cover, there will be glue residue on the screw holes, causing the installation to be offset. Use scissors or a blade to clean it. When installing the battery cover, there will be glue residue on the screw holes, causing the installation to be offset. Use scissors or a blade to clean it.